Hey traders, hey traders, hey traders, hey traders, hey traders. Hope you guys had a wonderful trading week, and I hope that you guys are using this weekend to prepare yourselves for the next trading week. That's your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm back with another video. So you guys know it that every time when we upload on the weekend, we're strictly uploading our weekly outlooks, right? So today's video gonna be a weekly trading outlook for the coming week. I think from the 9 up and until the 15th. I'm just not sure of the date. But before we get any further with the video, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you share the video, you comment on the video, you click the link to sign up with the broker that I highly recommend and trade with. Or if you want to be part of our COT Academy team, we have 3 exclusive one mentorship services. You can choose which do you prefer and which do you want us to assist you with, and let us do the rest from me. But without further ado, guys, let me share this wonderful video inside, and let me let you guys prepare yourselves on this weekend for the next training week. So, first things first, you guys know that we're always starting off on the NAS, right? Structure on NASDAQ, price is looking kind of bearish, right? You can tell that obviously price has been creating lows, creating lows, creating lows, creating lows. We've created a low. So from every low, the prices bring that out in some way, shape, or form. Price gave us a violation of that low, creating a new low, right? So when I zoom in the charts, you can tell that the zone that price is on right now, where price is close to weak, price has been holding this zone as our hold, as our support, right? As our resistance, I mean. Price held this zone as resistance until it happened that price stayed above and started holding it as well as our support. So just to keep things simple with you guys, understanding that our structure is bearish and price is busy printing up lows and violating lows. Where price is close to weak, we are on our intraday zone, right? So two things might happen for the coming week, just to be quite frank with you guys, right? So if price stays above, if price is above, then that case would have to be bullish above the zone. But if price is below, then we'll simply wait for a break and retest and anticipate a further continuation to the downside based on our simplest price section where price is this very same intraday zone. Every time price is above, we always held it as support. Every time price is below, we always held it as resistance. So where price is at the moment, we're not sure if it's gonna stay above or stay below. But all we can be aware of is that we have to wait for confirmation. But like I said, if price is above zone, we be bullish. If price is below zone, we be bearish. And that's how it's gonna be, and that's how it has to be for the coming week. You guys get that? Hopping to the second pair, which is gold. So you guys can clearly see how gold is. Price created a low, price created a high, price created a low, created a high, a high, a high, a low, and a high, right? So you can tell the price is moving sideways. We're having support and resistance, that intraday support and that intraday resistance, meaning price is in a correction, price is in a range, or price is in a sideways movement. You can choose what do you want to call it, right? So all I want to see with you guys, because now we're waiting for confirmation for the coming week. If price, sorry, if price don't break above, if price don't break below like it always does from previous weeks, then I guess would have to be bullish above this very same zone. But if price gives us a breakout, then I guess would have to be bearish below. But if price comes to the upside and don't give us a breakout based on previous price action, then I guess would have to be bearish below. So, but if price gives us a violation, then I guess would have to be bullish, anticipating those new highs. But we're simply waiting for confirmation just to be sure what might happen based on what we're looking at. Do you guys get that? Without further ado, to the third pair, which is USD CAD. So even USD CAD got one that's in the chart, you can tell that our structure has been bearish, right? So with price having a bear structure and with price doing the same thing as the NAS, violating lows, violating lows, violating lows, violating lows. So this was the lowest point that prices printed out, right? And from price creating this low, price pushed and created a high. So from this high, it came back and created a low. So when you see that this low and this low is the lowest point, this low is not lower than this previous lower low. So with price having a lower low and a low not lower than the previous lower low and a high, the price is printed out before we printed out this low. You can now tell that we're having a few signs of price being bearish. Like for example, guys, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And then price creates a high and price creates a low. And then price does what? Pushes to the upside, creates a new high. So when you see this, you can tell the price has been creating lows and violating lows, creating lows and violating lows until we created the lowest point in the markets. So from the lowest point, price rushed and created a high. So from this high, price created a low. So this low isn't lower than this previous lower low. Indications of a possible reversal. Do you guys get that? So from this example and how price is looking, our trade idea will be very simple because price is even above that zone, right? That bullish zone, bullish above and bearish below zone, right? So for the coming week, if price stays above, then I guess would have to be bullish above zone. But if price tends to be bearish, then I guess we'd have to look for those few signs of price being bearish. But to be quite frank with you guys, this example is an indication of a few signs of a possible reversal. Do you guys get that? But we're simply looking to be bullish above zone and to be bearish below zone. And that's how it's going to have to be, the way it always has been and how it's going to be. Do you guys get that? So with pay, those go up on a Tesla, but a nigga stock staying down in the markets. So like I always say, guys, we haven't given out a clean trading outlook or an insight on Tesla because how price action has been looking, price action hasn't been it, right? And if price action is not it, we don't have a trade idea and we don't share possible insights. So when you look at Tesla, you can still tell that price gave us a few signs of being bullish, but now we're seeing a few signs of being bearish. What indication is that? Do not trade Tesla. Do you guys get that? What do we do? Up to our last pay, which is gonna be Bitcoin. So same as Bitcoin, guys, we still don't have a trade idea, but I can share a few insights and a few tips and hints into what might happen or what I'm looking at or anticipating. Do you guys get that? So price once hit this low, then hit this low again, gave us a double bottom, right? Until we hit price giving us a violation for a double bottom, creating that new low. Unfortunately, price did what? Pushed to the upside again above our double bottom zone and gave us a retest above that very same double bottom zone, an indication that price is having a strong zone or price is much stronger every time we are above this double bottom zone. And what happened from the price led into creating this high. So from this high, price is now giving us a possible breakout of this. So just like I always say, history repeats itself in the forex markets. All that we are going to be looking for now, even though we don't have a trade idea, is to just be bullish above and bearish below. And that's how we're going to have it the way it has to be. But we just don't have a trade idea. When something like this shows up, or when something like this occurs in the markets, and for me, all I can let you guys do is to see what I see and you see what you see and see what might happen based on what I see and what you see. Do you guys get that? So this is going to be our weekly trading outlook for the coming week. What we'll be anticipating, what we'll be anticipating. Even though we have anticipations and insights, the only important thing is how is the market going to react and how is the market going to move, because we can never control how the markets move and where the market goes. We can only control our risk management, our emotions, our discipline, our patience, our consistency, and far most importantly, our confidence in the forex markets. Do you guys get that? I hope to see you guys. I hope to see you guys win the next trading week. And I hope to see you guys be more profitable, more productive, and more fearless and more professional like you're destined to be. But without further ado, the support Highland, King COT, and I might get you guys on our trade breakdowns for the coming week.